Redneck Muck, peace. So, this isn't a great video by no means. I just kind of pieced some stuff together. So, let me give you the lowdown. My dad had a 68 or 69 Nova as a factory 6-cylinder car. He built a kind of drag race 6-cylinder for it and ran it for a little bit. And my sister bought the car but wanted him to put a different motor in it. He had a Big Block laying around. I think it's 462 cubic inches. It was 454 board, 40 over maybe. I don't remember. But it's got a pretty healthy cam in it. It's got good compression on it. Holley Sniper system. I should have recorded a bunch of this, but I'm just trying to help out and get stuff done because I just want to get it together so, you know, it's ready for somebody to drive and run around in, and we don't have a brand new motor that they got like 15 grand in sitting on an engine stand. So yeah. So this is just a video of trying to get it started after we got it all put in the car, and we got a lot of stuff left to do yet, and if I get some time, maybe I'll record some of it. We got to do frame ties yet. We got to put body bushings in. I might not run the tranny cooler right now because it's not going to get driven. I'll let Dad do that on his time. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff done, but a lot of ways to go. So yeah, here's just some startups and fighting with the Holley Sniper a little bit. I'll come back. Go. Okay, so key on. Let me get my little sniper thing out here. Say sniper's powered up. We got fuel pressure, right?
Yep.
It turned so hard it killed the sniper.
Okay.
So we need died again. So that wire. Try again.
Okay.
Holley Sniper fire up. Take 19.
Yeah, no doubt. Ooh.
Monitor. Space Age. Alright. Multi-gauge. Vitals. Alright. Are we ready again?
Yes, sir.
I never did get up above 400 RPM. It did drop out and reboot again, but it caught up with itself, I thought.
Yeah.
You want to try adjusting that a little bit more?
Yep. backfired out the.
About the exhaust.
Yep.
Zero shows you exactly how your business is performing. Cash flow, revenue, all in one place.
just in case we need it, Jeremy.
Yeah.
All right, is everybody ready?
Oh.
So there we go. We got it running pretty good. The timing was down on it. We ended up having to adjust timing. Finally, when we got the timing right, it was quite a bit better. We had to kind of fab some makeshift exhaust on it to get the O2 sensor reading better. I think all it really needs now is kind of some run-in. The idle's still a little bit weird, but I think that's where the computer is trying to get everything right, and I think it just needs a little more time to run, idle around with proper exhaust on it. So we're going to try to get some header mufflers, for it. Try to quiet it down a little bit because it is loud. I mean, ear-piercing loud. Seems responsive. It's not overheating. It's running well. The transmission burped out a little bit of fuel. There's a tiny drip of fuel on a return line. I might have to put like an extra hose clamp on it or something. I don't know. I'll address that later. And but yeah, outside of that, it's running. Holley Sniper. I will tell you my kind of thought process is it's not bad. It wasn't a horrible system to do. I thought the electronics was pretty straightforward, not hard to set up. The only thing I didn't like on this particular car is I had trouble with the fuel pump kicking back on when you started it, and I ended up putting it in a relay for that so it would stay running more. And I don't think that's Holley's fault. I think it's a combination of the battery that's in the car and the RPM that it's got to get to for the fuel pump to kick back on. And it just wasn't getting there. So now the fuel pump runs and the car can get there. So yeah, I think it's all pretty good. And I don't know. Is it perfect? No. My stuff never is, but it's getting there. So yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Big Block just screaming at you some, and I'll talk to you later. Redneck Muck. Peace.